Alright y'all, so I'm still at Dodge and somebody just pulled up with a 2020 Ram Rebel, right? Or limited. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. I want to do y'all hear Sam in the background making his intro. So we're about to have probably the same videos, but we're gonna see who get their content out quicker.
But hey man, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to the video because it is up. It is only up. Hey man, so I heard you got a new whip.
Hey man, listen. I needed a truck, man. Every time I look, I needed the truck for something.
Mr. Mercedes, man.
Mr. Mercedes, hold on. Mercedes of Fayetteville, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey, listen, come on down there. We got a few hot deals, nice vehicles and everything. Hit your boy up, Junior_392 Scatpack, or I give you my direct number, 757-753-7708. Call me. I deliver anywhere.
Hold on.
Anywhere.
Hey, hold on.
Even in Dubai?
Hey,
Dubai.
Why his promo a little bit better than mine? Hold on. hey, hold on. Hey, if you can't get the deal with him, then you come over to me. But come to me first. But we not gonna
listen,
he gonna bring you over there.
Let them know that Slime Pack sent you, so you get the best deals.
I know that's right. Slime Pack promo on car deal paper.
Hey. Yeah.
You see rebate, then you say Slime Pack promo, and there's an extra discount. I'm trying to tell you, man, it's for more part of the map, y'all. It's not a game. It's not a game.
So what you got here?
Yeah, man, had to, man. I had to get me a little.
Hold on, and I just seen it yesterday, but you got a tent already?
Oh yeah, I don't play no games.
Play no games.
Look, Underglow about to go on in and everything.
Underglow.
Hey, Underglow.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know I got some things on the way.
Oh my goodness. What you gonna
he had to pop out with the all black, you know, the Maxi truck.
Yeah. With the red shoes.
Yeah.
Got my little tough box, but fill up with cold sodas and waters.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, got the split truck.
Dual split. Tailgate.
Can we look on the inside?
Yeah. Hold up, man. I learned something new.
Okay, what you got?
What you learned? Tell me what you learned.
Something new.
Because you didn't come to me to ask for no instructions though. He can't find the keys.
He been watching car reviews.
Hey, he been. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on now.
You said I've been watching car reviews.
Oh, they didn't get that that step ladder coming out.
The automatic step ladder. He got too many cars. He can't find the right keys.
So I had the keys to the Acura.
Yeah, man. You know you gotta close the door before you do what you about to do. Right? Hey,
there you go.
Every day. Let's see if I can make it do it.
What can you make it do? Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Is it going up and down? Wait a minute.
Oh,
hold on. That's air suspension. Hold on. I don't think y'all see that.
I'm waiting for the exhaust to crank up.
Nah, he doing the air suspension. It's going down.
I said it's gonna drop.
Oh, so you got a low rider, huh? You got a low rider.
Yeah,
can't tell him nothing.
See it drop on.
That's factory or you added it? It's factory.
That's factory. Look, let me show you. Let me show you a little something. That's
cool,
ram air suspension right there.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah. Go ahead, start it up for us. Yeah, we gotta do something with that.
Hey, I was waiting on it.
We gotta do something with that. We gotta do something.
Hey, listen. All that had the car. I just bought the car yesterday.
But he got 10 though. He got 10.
I'm going to the muffler shop tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, and then by this weekend, I'll put the underglow on it.
That's
it. I might put a little grill light in there, give y'all, you know.
Get a little grill light show.
You gonna keep them same wheels?
Huh?
You gonna keep them same wheels?
Stay tuned.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, stay tuned.
Can't give out no free content.
I can't give out that free stuff. Yeah, stay tuned. Trust and believe.
But let's check out the inside.
Listen, when I drop that jank next time, I'll be sitting on the tire.
Okay, we hear you. Oh, man, fancy.
They say, okay, you got the tent. What if I rolled your window down? You be mad?
I just take it off slimepack.com. I go to the comment, the other section and say,
listen, y'all.
Hey, man. So I sell these.
Let me cut this volume. Cut this copyright off.
Business seats in the back seat, and you got a You got a doggone wall outlet charger back here now.
Listen, when 2 YouTubers trying to record the same vehicle.
Hey, listen. You do yours and I do mine, and we gonna make it.
Anyway, look at this big screen.
We gonna make it do what it do, baby.
Look at this big screen, y'all. This is the same screen in the TRX.
Yeah, a 12-inch screen.
She didn't want to raise her own back up.
What y'all think? Slime look good in the truck? What y'all say?
It's gotta be lifted. It's gotta be big boy.
It gotta be big boy.
It's gotta be big boy.
Little?
Yeah, too little.
She said your car little. Hold on.
Anyway, this is sunroof.
Oh, you gotta open the panoramic now. You gotta open the panoramic.
You gotta open that.
Oh, you put your foot on the brake, press the button. And man, it worked.
Not a car on. Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Hold on, nah. Big boy status, huh?
Here you go. You got big boy glass.
Okay.
Take it on back. Take it on back. Look,
Bring
so
it back
far,
now.
her eyes don't even go back that far.
I got
You like that?
It's my way around.
You see her face? You like that? Pat, you crazy? You crazy? You like that? You're like, baby, I want to go further.
Hey, man. It was too funny for
Yo, you had to see from this side.
Hey, you got it on camera?
Oh yeah, you know it. You know it. You know it.
Oh, let me say
So you like it?
See how comfortable it is.
I love this thing. Look at it. It had the daggone
Still got the
tags on it. Man, you got compartments here.
How the space feel back there?
Man, the space, I'm 6'4".
Turn the cool seats on. Make
Hold
sure
on,
your bottom nice and cool.
hold on. Let me turn
Cool seats in the back.
Hold on.
Cool seats in the back?
Cool seats in, hold on, that's heat. Hold on, my fault. That's heated seats. It's still hot. All right, now we got cool on. Hold on. Am I doing it right? Hold on. Ooh, the cool seats. But it's spacious back here.
Yeah.
And the
Real
seat is pushed back.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I love this jank.
Hey, you a Baltimore's fan?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
We're gonna have
Best thing you seen, ain't it? That make your camera get brighter when you saw it. You ain't straight HID.
So what made you pick this up?
Hey, listen, so you gotta have a truck. You got a house, you gotta have a truck, man. And I've been prolonging bullcrap around because I wanted to be cheap. But I said, Bob, don't give me a truck. So I'm gonna get a raggedy truck. Then I was like, no, then I had to fix it. So I give me a newer truck. I got a warranty. So hey, man, you know I was blessed today. They gave me a rate that was lower than I thought I was gonna get. So I went and bump it. You don't live once. But if you're gonna do it, go all the way or go home.
Right.
So
Go big, go home.
Stay tuned. You get the YouTube going on this thing. Might get a little hood wrap, little toes on it. You know, I don't know. Never know what happens. You know what I'm saying? Hey, never know. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for doing what y'all do, man. Y'all follow these people, man. These people good people, man. So that slime pack, get that merch. You got smooth.
Can't get it out.
In it. Y'all is crazy, man.
I like this, man.
See, that's people having fun, living life.
Yeah.
Ain't anything about it.
Hey, man, so we did a review on this guy called.
Every time I get ready to talk, I got him back there recording his video. Junie, the one in the black, he's supposed to be recording a video on his own truck. But like I said, if y'all watch both our channels, you're probably gonna get the same video, but in different perspective of views. one, you must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number two, you gotta go to Scatpack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you, by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number three. What's number three? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number one, subscribe to my channel. Number two, go to Scatpack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.